you signing to? Oh, right, both of them? What are your names? She signed fast as fuck. Justine, nice to meet you.
You gonna slow it down for you?
Yes, slow it down for me. Justine, I'll come. Chill out. All right. Your name, sir?
My name is Todd.
Justine, how do you know Todd?
I don't.
Dude, she said, I don't. And her tone was so rude, he heard it. Even in the deaf community, bitches are like, no, we're not together. We don't even have anything in common. Right, Todd, did you come by yourself?
No, I'm actually here with my wife.
You're here with your wife. Where is your wife?
She's working right in front of me.
Wait, hold on, are you his wife?
I am.
Oh, well say that. He can't.
I was letting it play out.
I mean, lead with that. This is vital information. I almost made them fuck. I don't know if